Hello guys, welcome to another Forex trading video. Hope you are all well and taking care of yourself. Sorry guys, I couldn't upload any new videos for a long time as I was busy with my other businesses, due to which I did not get time to create a new video. Today we will trade gold versus US dollar, where you will see the proper price action setup. Let's apply it to all the trades. See you guys later. Guys, right now we are having a loss of $400. I have deposited $5,000 in this account, where I will follow proper risk management here. I know what my loss will be and I have applied the trade accordingly. Now you have understood why I have applied buying trade here. The market is moving in a strong uptrend. Hence we will create an uptrend channel. We will connect this trend line with all the higher low points. Market is moving upwards, taking support at this trend line. The market is following this trend line very well. The second trend line will be connected with the same angle at higher high points. This trend line is acting as a resistance in the market. Whenever the market comes near this trend line in the future, we will see the market reverse downwards. The market has been moving upwards in this trend channel for a long time, creating a proper uptrend pattern, due to which buying opportunity is being created here again and again. Now we will draw a strong reversal level here. From this we will know from which level the market is repeatedly taking resistance and support. The market is respecting this level well, where the market has repeatedly reversed downwards. This is a strong reversal level of the market. You can see that the market has created multiple resistance points at these points. In future also we will see resistance points at this level, which will reveal the exact position of the market. There is a high percentage chance that the market will go up from here. Now whenever the market comes to this level in the future, it will create a support point, due to which a resistance becomes support pattern will be created here, which is a strong pattern of uptrend. Now let us place stop loss and target point, which is very important. My stop loss will be below the strong reversal level and inside the trend channel, which is 70 pip down. If the market breaks below this strong level, then our stop loss will be hit, and the target point will be double 140 pip above the stop loss. At this level the market has not yet entered this trend channel. Here I am using risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2. Guys, we have gone from a loss of $400 to a profit of $400. This profit will increase further because our analysis here is absolutely correct. I quickly place stop loss and target point. Guys, if you want to become a real trader, then you will need strong technical chart and good trading charts for analysis. You can easily access all these features on the FastBull platform, and that too for free. FastBull provides you real-time quotes with each symbols, through which you can watch stocks, forex, commodities, crypto, etc. With this you can set up to 64 symbols in one chart window, which is called multi-chart mode. This is a very unique feature, and that too for free. FastBull allows you to check unlimited historical candles in the chart. However, TradingView is limited to 5,000 candles for their free version. With this you can backtest any strategy unlimited time. Here you will be able to easily switch between different time formats, which will help you a lot in analyzing the charts. Guys, the best feature I found here is that you can apply up to 64 indicators simultaneously on a single chart, which is where you apply 2 to 3 maximum indicators on one chart. In TradingView in the free version, you can catch good trade signals from different indicators on FastBull. In this place, you can save unlimited templates, which you can use at different times. Here FastBull has also provided a created watchlist in which you can add 1,000 symbols. You can use all these features on FastBull absolutely free. You will find the link to join FastBull in the description box and comments section. Guys, now let's go back to our video and wait for our profit target to be hit. Till then, you can like the video. Nice move, guys. Here our analysis was absolutely correct, due to which we got a very straight move. We rarely get to see such moves, that too with good opportunity. Here all our levels were drawn well, due to which we got very good profit. The market is currently moving upwards very fast, due to which we may see very sharp selling here. My target point was at this level, which has just been hit. The market made us achieve our target in just 2 candles. This does not happen in most trades, as the market moves up creating higher high, higher low points even on small time frames. Now I will draw the next level and tell you so that the market can respect that level in future. The market has spent some time at this level as well. The market can reverse back up from here as well. because here also a strong support resistance level has been created on the smaller time frame. Whenever the market comes near this level we can definitely see a reverse candle. Now we close the trade, our goal has been achieved. Guys, our profit is currently around $5,800. We had $5,000 in this account which has now become $10,819. If you want to do price action trading properly then do it in gold because gold always follows the proper price action pattern. If you have learned even a little from this video, then please like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.